In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. If you get a lot of packages, you're going to need a video doorbell, and this one gives you it in 2K quality, QHD, and best of all, no subscription needed. That's right, folks. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription to watch all your packages get delivered. Is it any good? Let's begin this unboxing. Hi everybody, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. And if this is your first time here, I'm kind of like a tech handyman. You know, there's so much tech out there. Everyone needs kind of like a handyman to show you how to put it together and what kind of products to recommend. So if you're interested in that kind of content, you want to like and subscribe. Now let's go ahead and begin this unboxing video for the Tapo Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. So everything is inside of this box. It really starts with that quick start guide. You definitely want to read that, especially if you've never installed a video doorbell before. There is some other kind of, documentation that's not really important. It does come with screws and inserts, so that's really handy to know because if you don't have that on hand, you don't need any. It has it all inside the kit. Now this is the actual ringer, so that if someone presses the ringing alarm, it's going to connect. It also has a reset button, so all of this connects. You just plug it inside of your house, and then someone rings the doorbell. That's your doorbell ringer right there. Moving along, here's the actual doorbell itself. Let's take it out of that little bit of package, give you a first look to see exactly what it looks like. Take that plastic off and the top on the camera as well. And what you're going to notice is it has that rectangular design, very simple design with that button in the middle. If we turn it around, you'll notice that it does have some buttons and the ability to be mounted. On the top there, on the right, you'll notice that there is that little flap, and that's to put in the micro SD card and also to charge through the USB-C port. On the front is that ringing button, so if someone wants to ring your doorbell, now you have a doorbell because they press that and it connects to that wireless doorbell that you saw. There is a little tiny button on the top, and I'll show you that later when it comes to the review of what that button is, but basically it's to undock it from the mount that you're looking at right here. It gives you some options in terms of the brackets that you're going to have, mounting options, and that's to basically create angles. And this is if you just want to slightly have a horizontal angle or a vertical angle. And that case is depending on where you're going to mount it. It can come in handy, especially if you want to track packages. It has some double-sided tape as well. I don't really recommend this. I think you really do want to screw this in if possible, but if you're renting, maybe you're not allowed to put some holes, that is definitely an option. Even gives you stickers on how to mount and where to put the holes. To do that, I don't really think it's necessary if you're just going to screw it in. Comes with the USB-C cable, and that's because you're going to have to periodically charge the doorbell. And if you're doing a wired connection to a wired doorbell, you have all the pieces in there. So you have both option, wired and wireless, if you want to just use the battery powered. So let's take a quick look of everything that comes in the box. You have the doorbell itself, you have the ringer, the cables, the different types of brackets for the mounting options, this double-sided tape, the sticker, the quick start guide, screws, and some other connections for the wired. Everything that you need is inside of this kit, and it's a lot of flexibility. Like I said, if you have the power, you can make it wired so you never have to power it, or you can just use the battery power, which is what I'm going to do in my install. Something like this you can get installed in just not even an hour, to be honest with you, once you know exactly where you want to place it. Super easy DIY project. You don't need to be a handyman to be able to pull this off. Well, that includes the unboxing for the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. You definitely want to watch the other video where I show you how to install it and set it up. So it's kind of like a how-to video and a review video all in one. So make sure you click on that link as well. Speaking of links, I did put a link to this product in the description. So if you're interested, and you should be, because you don't have to pay cloud storage and it comes with a battery in it so you can charge it and use it and just charge it again. I show you how to do all that in the review. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Once again, like and subscribe, leave your comments below, and I'll see you at the next video. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time. Bye for now.